camera?
Yeah.
What's up guys, I'm back here at Toyota Sports Center. I got invited to do the CAA skate. For anybody who doesn't know what that is, it's CAA stands for Creative Artist Agency, I believe. It's just a pickup game. It's a bunch of industry people that play on a team and they break it into two teams and they play against each other. It's a lot of industry people that from the film industry, entertainment, hockey industry, things like that. You have to be in the pretty high ups or know somebody to play in the skate, or just it's for fun. It's a fun skate. It can be competitive at times. There is a big skill gap between some of the players. There's some players that just play for fun, and then there's other players that are professional, and then there's also junior guys, and then guys that didn't quite play juniors. You know, so the skill base is definitely like this, which is all good. It's just for fun. There's no referees, so I think it's just an hour skate. I've done it once before. It was pretty good, pretty competitive. It's one of those skates where if like whoever has the puck, maybe they're a film director or maybe a pretty big agent, everyone just kind of gives them room just to shoot the puck. So whatever, I'm a goalie, I don't have to deal with any of that stuff. Anyway, yeah, short intro. I'm gonna put the GoPro. I was debating on not putting the GoPros up in the net, but every time I don't put them up, usually I make a big save. So who knows? I'm gonna try and get some highlight reels. If not, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you think. I love playing at Toyota Sports Center. From my place, it's an hour drive. The traffic and all that stuff kind of sucks, but that's just like typical LA. Anyways, guys, I'll see you on the ice.
Peek.
Good luck.
Attribution.